Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can monetize a TikTok account. Now to monetize a TikTok account, you need to get views on your TikTok videos. So let's say I want to monetize my TikTok account. To see if I'm eligible for monetization or not, I need to click on profile at the bottom right of the screen and then click on the 3 line at the top right and then click on creator tool and make sure your TikTok account is registered under a creator account, okay? Otherwise you're not going to get access to creator tool. And inside creator tool you can see monetization. Now these are all method of monetization. Let's say I want to monetize using gift. I can click on video gift and I can turn on the video gift. Now it's going to show me if I'm eligible or not. So since I don't have 10,000 followers, I'm not yet eligible for TikTok's video gift. But if I had, I could click on turn on gift and people could watch my video and they could send me money as gift. Or what I can do is click on creativity program beta. Once I click on it, it's going to show me if I'm eligible or not. If I'm eligible, I can click on apply at the bottom and I will be able to apply for TikTok creativity program. And then once I upload video and get views, I'm going to get paid money, okay? But only if they accept my TikTok creativity program application. So these are all the method on how we guys can monetize TikTok account. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.